welcome to the Koni Buyer product, and I'm also thankful to the all Koni Buyers managers and the agents who are doing their best. And I'm very proud to have this product from the Koni Bio because I have purchased three products. One is a Moroccan soup. Second, I have is a Koni Bio paste, and the third one which I have purchased is my Koni Bio detergent, which is one of the best detergent that I can tell you. Though it's little bit more amount, but I think it's worth paying that much of amount. There is best and the best detergent because it's not only good for the clothes, but if you want to wash your jewelry, it's really working good. So I have used it and I'm really satisfied with this product, and I'm really doing the promotion for this product because even I'm also part of the Koni Buy team, and I would like to promote more and more products which I will be able to join as soon as possible in this field. And what about the paste is one of the best part of the paste is that if you have a toothpaste and it's, if you think that it's paining very badly, you just take a little amount of that paste and keep it on your tooth, and then after a few seconds it just like disappear. So you will be wonder like from so long you were just having that pain, but now it's working very nice. And third is about my Moroccan soup, which is I think one of the best soup for the health, who was really looking for the weight loss and who really very conscious about the health, they should go for this one because the soup is one of the best thing. I can say I not only I have used this soup, even my I'm giving my grandma, and she's very happy because obviously you can understand the senior citizens, they require after every an hour something to have. So I think this is the soup when I give her twice a day, one in the morning and one in the night, with adding some of my own ingredients, and that seems to be one of the best things. So I think I'm very happy, very happy with the Koni Bio team, Koni Bio product. And I would like to tell each and everyone that this one is one of the best product, one of the best company, and people should go for it. And I would like to tell thanks to the Hanif uncle, and obviously Sumaya, Shabana auntie, who are also my part of this team, and they are my part of my family member. So they are the one who suggested me, they are the one who brought me in this team, and they told me that you just use it, and I'm really thankful to them as well as the Koni Bar team. So wish you all the best and hope you get more and more success in the team. So I hope this will become one of the best company, like how we have Geo, Reliance. So Koni Bar should also be one of that company so that they can bring them more and more new products. So thank you so much, and you guys have a great day, and really